Most of you probably already know that kids' sight word books are some of the best-selling titles every single day on Amazon and Etsy. But let's take a closer look to see whether the competition is actually high or not. When we check the search volume for sight words workbook, we find 9,000, which means the competition on Amazon is low. And if we look at the books themselves, we'll see they are all making a lot of sales, a very strong indicator that competition is low while demand is extremely high, because these books are essential for every child learning to read and write, meaning every child ends up buying a book from this category. And let's not forget Etsy. When we check there too, we find these books are also selling incredibly well. Now, let's zoom in on one of these books to see how it was designed. When we look at this specific book, we find it has more than 6,500 reviews, which means it has sold over 20,000 copies, an absolutely massive number. Looking closely at the inside pages, each page contains 2 sight words, and for each word, they added a simple sentence for kids that includes that word, helping the child actually use it to form sentences. And this continues through the whole book, which is around 100 pages, meaning 200 kid-friendly words in total. An incredibly simple structure, but extremely high demand. I know you might be thinking that designing this book will be difficult, but stay with me for a moment, and I'll show you exactly how to create a version that's even better than the one we saw on Amazon. The first stage is writing the words and sentences we'll use, and it's actually super simple. We just go to ChatGPT and ask it to write 100 sight words suitable for kids around age 3, and also generate a sentence for each word so children can learn the words and the sentences together. And within seconds, ChatGPT will produce all 100 words along with simple, kid-friendly sentences. Now let's move straight into Canva and start designing a brand new layout with 8.5 by 11 inch dimensions. The first step in designing the page is to go to the Elements tab and search for Table. Then we add the table to the page and reduce the number of cells until there are only 2 cells. After that, I'll drag this 2-cell table to the top of the page and make the right cell larger than the left one, because the right cell will contain the sentence, while the left cell will contain the sight word. Then I'll simply change the font inside this table to the style I prefer. And just like that, the layout begins to take shape. Now we're going to go back to ChatGPT and copy the first word, which is A, and place it in the left box of the table. Then we'll copy the sentence that belongs to this word and place it in the right box of the table. So now our first word is A, and the sentence is, I see a cat. Next, let's design the handwriting lines the child will write on. All I have to do is press the letter L on the keyboard, and Canva will automatically add a straight line. I'll stretch it so it spans the full width of the page, then reduce the line thickness to 1. After that, I'll duplicate this line twice and place the third line exactly in the middle between the first and second lines so they form the classic handwriting guide. Then I'll make the middle line dashed and change the color of all 3 lines to gray so they look lighter and more subtle for kids to write on. And just like that, we're done designing the first writing line. Now I'll simply duplicate this entire line set 4 more times to complete the full practice section. And this is how we finished designing the structure for the first word. And since each page will contain 2 words, I'll simply duplicate the first half of the page and place it in the second half, which will hold the second word. After that, I'll add a straight line at the bottom of the page, reduce its thickness to 1, and then add a circle in the middle of that line by pressing the letter C on the keyboard. I'll make this circle white with a black outline, then drag it down to sit perfectly centered on the bottom line. This will be the page number circle. Now let's go back to the first word at the top of the page. I'll press T on the keyboard to add text, then switch the font to a dotted style so kids can trace the letters easily. I'll type the letter A to align it on the first handwriting line, then enlarge it slightly so the top edges of the A touch the upper boundary of the line and the bottom edges touch the lower boundary. Then I'll duplicate the A letter A repeatedly to fill the entire first line with the first word of this page. And don't forget, always make the font light gray so it isn't too dark, allowing the child to trace over it easily. Next, I'll duplicate the entire first word line and place it on the third handwriting line, which will be used for the sentence. I'll copy the sentence, "I see a cat," and place it on that third line. Now we have the first line filled with the repeated word, the second line empty so the child can write the word independently, the third line containing the sentence for that word, and the fourth line empty so the child can practice writing the sentence on their own. A clean, simple, and super effective layout for kids. And just like that, we've completely finished the first half of the page. Now, I'll duplicate that top half and place it in the bottom half, which will be dedicated to the second word. Then, I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the second word, which is am, and place it on the first handwriting line easily. And once again, I'll return to ChatGPT to copy the sentence for this second word, which is I'm happy, and place it on the third line, leaving the second and fourth lines empty so the child can practice writing on their own. And with that, the first full page is complete. Now, let's move on to designing the second page, and thankfully, every new page becomes much easier. All we have to do is duplicate the entire first page and simply replace the words and sentences exactly the way I'm doing here. Because, as you already know, the first pages always take the most time, but the following pages are super fast since we're only swapping out the text. Just don't forget, make sure to update the page number on every new page in the correct order. And that's it! A clean, repeatable system that helps you build an entire SightWords workbook faster than ever. I want you to always be creative. Don't just copy everything I do. You should add your own unique touch to your design. For example, we can even add images to this book. How? Very simple. I can go, for instance, to page 3, right-click on the table at the top of the page, and insert an empty cell on the right side. Then I'll search for cat outline and place a cat illustration inside that new cell so it visually represents the sentence. And this way, the child enjoys the activity even more. And just like that, we're done designing our book. We export it as a PDF file, ready for publishing. And don't worry, very soon I'm going to teach you how to design a professional cover and how to upload your books professionally on Etsy and Amazon, step by step. So don't forget to follow me, hit the like button, and drop a comment on this video. I'll see you in a new video. Goodbye.